It looks like my new 2020 Polaris Ranger Crew 1000 Premium may be a little low on engine coolant. Now Polaris says that is normal on new vehicles as their cooling system purges itself of some air. And I've purchased this stuff to solve the problem. Recommended by Polaris, it's their stuff, no mixing required, ready to go. The hood is now off. I can see that the coolant reservoir looks low or empty, and I'm going to check inside here first beneath the cap of the radiator. As a reminder, do not remove the radiator cap when the machine is hot. Mine is cold, it hasn't been run today. I removed the radiator cap and the radiator's full. So now we're going to go to the reservoir. I've removed the cap off the coolant reservoir under the hood. I'll note that this green plug was stuck down inside of here. I had to remove it so that I can fill it. And there we have it. I filled the coolant reservoir to the max cold line using a clean funnel, and we're good to go. After the next ride, I'll check and make sure that it's still at the right level.